So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Capricorns, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising, from 17th till the 23rd of August 2026. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. And for personal reading healing session, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So, let's start. Capricorn, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. So we have the Eight of Wands. This is somebody who feels like having back and forth communication with you, clearing the air with you in some way, or maybe if you guys are in a long distance connection, or right now there's distance between you guys, this person feels like talking to you a lot, having proper communication with you. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands as their feelings for you, for the situation, Cappies. So we have the Queen of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, the Lovers. This person is feeling like they should keep. There are lots of things in the situation that are not clear between you and them, that are not properly expressed, properly said, properly revealed to each other. I have to hide the Lovers card here. This is the Lovers card, because of the images. YouTube doesn't like these kind of images, and they just ban the video or something. So yeah, this person is feeling they have lot to express to you, they have lot to say to you, and there are lots of things in the situation that are not clear. They're holding on to this connection or to this relationship very tightly, because this situation is very important for them. You are very important for them, but there are lots of things that they feel like they should talk to you about, and they should know properly before they are going to move forward or do something, or create some kind of stories or scenarios in their head. So they feel like, instead of creating any kind of stories and scenarios, they should talk to you, because you are important. This connection is important for them. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? We have the Two of Wands. You feel like just waiting for the right time. Right now, you might be putting this situation on hold deliberately, or you might have taken a break from this situation deliberately. But you definitely feel like waiting for the right time for something to happen, or to say something, to do something. You might be dealing with two options or two energies, and right now your priority is something else, or maybe someone else. This situation is on the back seat. Let's see, let's clarify the Two of Wands as your feelings for this particular person or situation. We have the Knight of Cups, the Three of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles. Yes, you feel like before you are going to go towards somebody with some kind of love confession, with some kind of love offer, you should heal your broken heart. You should get all the pieces of your heart, broken heart, from everywhere, wherever they are, and add them together and focus on your individual healing right now. Focus on your individuality, your finances, your money, job, career. Right now you feel like you should not lose your freedom or independence, or you should not get yourself invested or interested in anything or anyone until unless you are completely done with the previous heartbreaks and pain that you are still carrying with yourself. You are still not over some kind of heartbreak or hurt or pain that you experienced, god knows, like maybe 30 years ago, 3 years ago, 3 days ago, I don't know. But you're feeling like you haven't properly healed yet, and you should not rush towards anything or anyone. You should take your time, and that's actually a good thing. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Emperor. This person wants to, sit in their power, take the charge of the situation in their hands, and I just hope don't want to control the situation. Let's clarify the emperor as their intentions. They definitely want to make this situation go according to the way they want it to go. Okay, let's clarify the emperor here. So we have the justice card, the star card, the queen of swords. This person doesn't want any kind of ifs or buts or this or that kind of energy. They want justice, they want balance, and they want everything to be as fair as the situation can handle. And they want to give. So this person wants to be fair. This person wants to be balanced. This person wants you to be honest with them. They want themselves to be honest with you, and then they want to take the situation forward. If there is no honesty, if there is anything that's hidden, that's not properly revealed, that's not properly expressed, they are not playing the game with you. Okay, it's like according to them, that's it might look like my way or highway kind of energy, but that's not their intention. Their intention is to keep things very very fair and balanced. No confusion, no ifs and buts, no this and that, nothing like that. Let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side. Ten of swords. You just want to get out of this betrayal, this you were not the situation that you were not expecting to go down kind of energy. Somehow you are feeling defeated from inside, and you just want to get over that kind of feeling. You want to start all over again. You want to see the light at the end of the tunnel now. Let's clarify the ten of swords as your intentions for this particular person or situation. Cappies. We have the king of swords, ace of pentacles, the two of swords. You just don't want to take even a step further until unless you are going to be sure and clear from your side that this is what you want to pursue and this is the person you want to go ahead with. So you don't want to give anybody false hopes, you don't want to get anybody involved in the situation until unless you are fully ready. So I think you should clearly communicate it to the other person here. You might be just trying to detach energetically, but you might not be telling them, you might not be expressing yourself fully to them, and that might be creating the conflict here. So you just don't want to take any step towards anyone until unless you are going to be sure that this is the right person or this is the right energy and you are ready to move forward. Simple. Okay, you have your own reasons to not to get involved with anyone right now, whether it's about the same person that we're talking about or somebody else. Right now you are not ready. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 23rd of August 2026. Cappies. We have the page of wands. It's like a ray of hope, you can say, a friendly kind of energy, uh, happy go lucky kind of energy around you. Let's clarify the page of wands as your intent, as a potential outcome for you guys. Let's see. We have the magician, the devil, and the high priestess. Somebody is manifesting this energy of you being obsessed with them slowly but surely by entering in your life as a friend. What the hell is wrong with this person? Okay. So somebody is going to keep things very friendly, very much like, yeah, I understand you, I understand the situation, I understand everything. But they have this intention of wanting to make you obsessed with them. Now the magician, the high priestess, the devil in between is not a good card actually. This combination uh, indicates somebody trying to maybe use spell work or maybe use negative manifestation, or you can call it black magic. Black magic is nothing but negative manifestation only. So somebody is trying to do some kind of spell work, whether literally or within their mind, to make you fall for them so hard that you are going to be obsessed with them and then they are going to be happy. Because right now you are not into them, you might be rejecting them, you might be rejecting the idea of being with them, and they're not able to take this positively. Hmm? So beware of somebody trying to pretend your friend, or trying to be too friendly with you and trying to make it look like, yeah, everything is good, we're fine and everything, but because their intentions are not good here. They want you to fall for them so hard that you can't even breathe without them. So that's not a good energy at all. Just because they're not able to handle the rejection, you're not rejecting them. I don't think so you're rejecting them, but you are not giving them what they want and how they want it, and they are taking it as a rejection. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week, for this situation. I think you should talk to this person very, very clearly. The past is gone. Okay, Capricorn, first of all, you should understand one thing very, very loud and clear. The past is gone. It's dead. Even if it was the most beautiful chapter of your life or the worst chapter of your life, that's gone. There's no use of you holding on to something or someone from your past and ruining your present moment, hence ruining your future. First of all, you have to release the past energies that you're still holding on to. Until unless you are going to do that, you will not be able to move forward. First thing. And second thing, communication is the key here. Please communicate yourself very, very loud and clear to this person, that this is what you feel. If this is somebody around you and you're dealing with them. If not, and if you feel like you should not, that's okay. I'm just telling you what I'm getting according to the energies and the cards here. So if you are going to communicate properly with this person about what you are feeling and what you want from them, or what you want from the situation, or you are not ready yet, then it's up to them what they're going to do. But from your side, keep things very, very clear, honest, cutthroat. That's going to save you from a lot of drama and conflict and chaos in the coming future. Just give me 1 second, honey. Yep. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cappies. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Yeah. So the answer to your question is not the right time, not the right situation. I got the same exact message for other sign also today. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.